J'ai toujours au fond de moi l'espoir d'un jour.
Tuesday, December 16th, 11:58 a.m. Well, we made it. Today's the last day of my externship at Le Pavillon. I'm gonna go for a walk. Try to get the legs moving before my last shift. Fucking freezing out here. It feels like 9 degrees. Kinda like it though. It makes you feel like alive. You gotta keep moving, keep yourself warm.
Au fond de moi, l'espoir.
It's like gigantic. It's very nice in there. The Pavillon is on the second floor, and it's first floor. There's actually Cafe Pavillon, which is another subsidiary of Chef Daniel. I've enjoyed my time here. It's very nice, very French. Huge kitchen. Like huge. I don't record a lot of footage in there because it's not very professional. I know everybody wants to see what it's like, the POVs and the vlogging in the kitchen, but when I'm actually in there, it's like I can't record anything. Just finished my last service at Le Pavillon, and what a ride it's been. I'm thankful for my time there and all the people that I met and all the experience that I gained. Definitely very valuable in my pursuit of greatness moving forward. On to the next chapter. Well, it is Tuesday, January 6th, 2:01 p.m. First day of school back. Woo! First day of Caterina's today. Back in PK, back from the city, back at school. Hospitality front of house. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Let's do it, yay.
I need a different kind of love. You want it, don't deny yourself here. Don't stop it, you can take it. Oh, geez, Fatita, you got me facing my fears. You got me asking what's real. Just let me take it from here. You're perfect, yeah. I think it's worth it.
The cleaver has more weight to it than the knife we usually use, so you probably just need a little nice.
We love you, Kevin.
Ready?
We love you, Kevin. Actually putting an effort into making this restaurant the best restaurant for vegans.
You had an excellent group leader. I hope you know.
Yeah, Kayla! People always say that I'm really good at talking to people and making friends and networking and just being able to talk to strangers. And while I think that is true, I think my biggest problem is that I can't maintain those relationships. I always seek out to and talk to another person and see if I can challenge myself to be able to sustain a conversation with them. But after that conversation is over, I'm not very good at following up and building on a friendship. And I think that's what's more important. I can talk to everybody in the world, but then not be able to have people that I can return back to and say that they're my friends and that we have a close relationship, or rather I just yapped.
I mean, it doesn't really get more culinary school than this. I'm currently taking bites out of my cheese, brie, prosciutto, wines notes for my wines final, some grapes, basically like ratatouille. You know, when he's like showing his brother flavor combinations, when you put like fruits and cheeses together. It's like what I'm doing right now.
Right now on Today in New York, state of emergency. The tri-state getting slammed by blizzard-like conditions, forcing travel bans.
So soft though.
Yeah,
Dude, that's good though, because it's gonna get colder.
no, it's gonna freeze over.
It's gonna freeze.
It's so kind of satisfying. Yeah, but it's inches right now. I got that. I might just be really lucky, but turns out this year in New York is the most it's snowed and the coldest it's been in like the last 20 years. And this is my second blizzard of the year. I'm, oh god, slipping all over the place.